Remember, you don't have to do any of this alone. In fact, when you get other people involved, it can be really helpful. Earlier in this session, we talked about reading out loud for content to make sure everything makes sense. I also think reading out loud for mechanics makes good sense too. If you can read what you're saying out loud, you can often find sentence errors. Even if you're not sure what the sentence error is, you'll get an intuitive sense of what sounds right and what doesn't, and sometimes that can be really helpful. Remember too that there are other resources. Almost every campus I can think of has a writing center, and going to the writing center to get help not only with your content but also with your mechanics can be a really great resource as well. So remember to bring other people into this equation. Also, don't deal out your professor. As I tell my students, it's really great to have conversations about writing with my students. So use the resources that you have, the writing center, friends who are in the class, your instructor's office hours. All those things can help you to design something that really feels like a polished piece of writing once you've taken it all the way through all the stages of the writing process, from pre-writing all the way to the end of revision and editing. Thank you so much for listening.